This 2022 Heartland Torque TQ T322 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, smoke detector, microwave, air conditioning, Skylight, LP detector, auxiliary battery, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Torque TQ T322 is 10,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.